After reading Chapter 2 and really thinking about what's a specific research problem in physical education or coaching and administration, the one thing that came to mind was concussion awareness. I really think that's something that needs to be researched, and that's something that as coaches or teammates or even parents, that's something we need to educate them on and seek advice from experts. Definitely, that's something that needs to be read, and that's a topic that should never go unnoticed when addressing, parent meetings or coaches meetings. That's definitely something that cannot be overlooked. For example, for concussions, when they're testing a particular player or an athlete, there should be a specific amount of time that they need to do all the required activities and exercises with the doctor, and we can't just, as coaches, have our players come back just because they feel okay and they feel better because of so many health issues. There might be something internally going on. We, as coaches and administrators, have to always address a concussion right away, even if we think it may be mild, that there's nothing that should hesitate us from, giving them medical attention. We should never push an athlete to come back too soon or to have them rush back. And that's where the research comes in, to understand that it's not about just your athletic ability, but the fact that it can completely hinder all your life abilities. And as researching, I think that we overlook the fact that concussions can happen in any sport. So when I coach volleyball, I've had teammates and players who have dealt with concussions, and it's just a fluke thing, but it's not always from a contact sport. And we have to always be aware of our players individually, understand how do they react to something like that, understand their symptoms. Are they off? Does something just not seem right? Did they hit their head a little too hard and we shouldn't even tiptoe around it? And that's something that research, obviously, with concussions would help benefit, definitely. For helmet and contact sports, that's when it's most important for coaches and administration to be proactive and to prevent concussions and to have constant updates of their head equipment. Concussions are something that unfortunately are just the normal, and there's just so many injuries and so many consequences because of it. So we should just definitely be aware of concussion awareness. Thank you.